already know the G major scale. Do you remember that you have a sharp on F when you play the G major scale? Right hand, G major. Let's play now the chords on the G major scale. We're going to start on G because remember now the tonic on the G major scale is going to be G. G is chord number 1. A is number 2. Then B chord will be chord number 3, but remember that F is sharp, so we have to play F sharp. So it's B, D, F sharp. Then C chord will be the 4th chord. And then D chord also with F sharp. That's chord number 5. Then E chord will be chord number 6. And then F sharp chord will be chord number 7. It's F sharp, A, and C. And then we go back to G chord. G chord is chord 1. G, B, D. Remember, G is the tonic. Second chord is gonna be A. A, C, E. B chord is chord number 3 with F sharp. B, D, F sharp. C chord is chord number 4. D chord with F sharp is chord number 5. D, F, A. E chord. That's chord number 6. And chord number 7 will be F sharp chord. F sharp, A, and C. Do you remember the primary chords? Primary chords are the most important chords in a scale. On the G major scale, still the primary chords will be chord number 1, chord number 4, and chord number 5 that we're going to call also 5-7. This is chord number 1 on the G major scale. It's going to be G chord. Chord number 4 will be C. C, E, G. And chord number 5 will be D, F sharp, A. On the left hand, chord number 1, G, B, and D. G, B, and D. Then chord number 4 will be C. C, E, G. Chord number 5 will be D chord, D, F sharp, A. This is chord 1. Now chord 4, we're gonna move finger 3 to C and finger 5 to E. Finger 1 stays on G. This is still C chord, so we go from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. Now we can play the chord 5-7, that is gonna be called also D7 chord, because remember this is the chord 5. D, F, A, but now our D7 chord will be like this. F sharp, C, and D. Remember that you don't need to understand that for now. Just pay attention to the fingering and the notes. 5-7 chord on the G scale. Do you remember the great cadence? 1, 4, 1, 5, 7, and 1. Let's do it now with the left hand. We have G chord. That's our chord number 1. To play chord number 4, we're going to play G, C with finger 2, and finger 1 comes to E. So chord 1, chord 4, chord 1, chord 4, chord 1. To play 5-7 chord, we move our finger 5 to F sharp, finger 2 on C, and finger 1 on D. Let's play the cadence. 1, 4, 1, 5, 7, and 1. Again, G, C, G, D7, and G. Now let's do it with Roman numerals. 1, 4, 1, 5, 7, and 1. Once you master it, you can start practicing faster.